Looks like somebody crashed today. This is Friday, 10/15/10. Windshield busted out. Looks like he laid it over on the side. I wonder how it happened or why. Pretty busted up. Rack's all wasted. That's funny, the fuel tank didn't get damaged any. These rims hit something. Wow, scraping. Pretty nasty looking. Undoubtedly the driver was alright, especially if he had his seatbelt done up. Another one bites the dust. I think that's the first one this season for Lincoln Mill. Driver's name was Paul. That's all for now.